Well, absolutely, Gargi. Hang on there. We also have with us Prasad Baji, who's Senior VP Institutional Equities Research at Edelweiss, joining us on the line to break up those numbers further for us. Prasad, hi, welcome. What's your first reaction to the earnings? Better, of course, as the analyst, in-house analyst was pointing out. And also, how would you look at the target price for Tata Steel now with such strong numbers coming in?
Yeah, it is better than expected. Consolidated EBITDA is 3,705 crores. Which is better than our expectation of 3,300 crores. Even on the standalone business, they have delivered an EBITDA of 2,938 crores, which is also better than expectation of 2,709 crores. So I think these are strong numbers. We have the beat is there on the top line as well. So it shows that possibly either volumes or realizations are better than expectations. We don't have the full details as of now from the European operations, though we already know that the standalone volumes at 2.0 million tons that we have already known. So possibly there is a better number even in the international business as well.
Prasad, this is Gargi also coming in from the newsroom. Talk to us about how you would look at the price of Tata Steel going forward. You know, we've already seen a good run-up. Do you think that it was already factored into the price? Will you also go ahead and change some of your estimates in terms of the recommendation as well as your price target on Tata Steel?
Yeah, I think we will have an upgrade in estimates as well as on the multiple. We were valuing Corus at 4.5 times EV EBITDA. So I think with the consistently better numbers at the Tata Steel Europe, we will upgrade the valuation multiple as well. So I think we'll see both estimate as well as multiple upgrade.
All right, Prasad, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much for joining us to give us your reaction or analysis on the Tata Steel numbers. To you, Gargi, as well, thank you so much for stepping in for those numbers and analysis. With that, Vijay, to you as well for giving us your commodity ideas and currency strategies as well. That's all the time we have on Hot Commodities. Thank you for watching.